Hi, I'm Jeff Breeden with Cooks, and today I'm going to show you one of our earliest Cooks brand products, the Correctional Tray Assembly Line. If you are looking for an ultra-efficient method for your tray makeup, this is the product for you. The Cooks brand Correctional Tray Assembly Line is built with two objectives in mind. First is speed and efficiency, and second is durability. Let me show you how. One of the key components is the gravity conveyor. This conveyor has a 1/4 inch pitch per foot, so trays are loaded up here and moved down the line by gravity. There's no motor or belts to get broken. Also, these rollers are in removable sections for cleaning in a pot sink, and removing them lets you clean the conveyor pan, because we all know food doesn't make it onto the tray sometimes. These rollers are made of PVC with a stainless steel ball bearings for longevity, and the shafts cannot be removed and used as a weapon. This conveyor will move 17 to 20 trays per minute for a production rate of more than 1,000 trays in an hour. One of our customers in Texas went from 75 minutes to 45 minutes to make up 675 trays on their very first day using the Cooks brand Correctional Tray Assembly Line. Ideally, you want the workers about 30 inches apart and as close to the tray as possible. This allows the workers to easily put the food on the tray and reduces the amount that ends up in the pan. Typically, if you're using a standard steam table, the inmates are too close together and have a long reach to put the food on the tray. These wells are constructed of 16-gauge stainless steel for longevity. With our tray line, you get to customize the layout of the food wells. Best practice is to place your cold food on the trays first and hot food last, so that the hot food stays hot. With this unit, you can arrange your wells to do this. You also want to cover trays as quickly as possible, and for that we have an optional tray shelf to stack trays as they come down the line to make them loading into carts as efficient as possible. This line is available in 5-foot sections that can be connected to create a 5, 10, 15, or 20-foot line depending on your production needs. We can also customize units with shelves and other accessories to fit your specific operation. This tray line is made specifically for corrections. It has a cover on the control panel to protect the controls, and this can be locked when you're not operating the line. The frame is all welded and has 16-gauge stainless legs with gussets welded to these 12-gauge stainless cross channels. Our standard two-sided line is purposefully designed to be so wide that it cannot be easily turned over. And finally, the top is reinforced so that the unit can stand up to the abuses of correctional environment. Aside from a custom fabricated unit, you won't find a more durable tray assembly line that's made for corrections. If you would like to learn more about the Correctional Tray Assembly Line, get a quote, or place an order, give us a call at 800-956-5571. You can also see more information online at cookscorrectional.com.